And ba to? Okay na, direct. There are so many changes. Floor plans, features. Is it a change for the better? This house is the end unit townhouse of Ecoverde, Lipa. This is located 5 minutes from Lipa City proper. There is no traffic. This is Justin Rieta. Let's go. This is a townhouse. Pero kung mapapasin natin, this is a 2-house na magkadikit lang because this is a model house. Kung napanood niyo yung last video natin dito sa inner unit natin, ito is mas maliit yung floor plan kumpara sa ating end unit. This is the inner unit at magkakadikit yan. Papakita natin sa drone shot ngayon na ito yung itsura ng inner unit kapag natapos na. And this one is the end unit. Ito yung kahuli-hulihang part ng cluster. It has a 74 square meter lot area and a 75 square meter floor area. Kung papakinggan natin sa papel, medyo hindi siya ganun kalakihan, pero wait until you see it, guys. Isa sa pinakagusto kong design ng bahay, minimalist, napaka-aesthetic tingnan. Kilala ang Ecoverde sa pagbibigay ng malalaking window sa harap to give it an aesthetic look. Meron pa tayong garahe dito. Meron ka pang extra walkway going to your door. Extra lote sa harapan going sa ating right side of the house, which will give you extra space for whatever you want to do in this side of the house. Maybe a garden, for an extension of the house. Do whatever you want, guys. Okay, samahan nyo ako sa loob ng bahay and wait until you see it. Yeah, sobrang ganda. Yan. Okay. Talagang gusto ko sa Ecoverde, yung pati designer nila sobrang galing. Choice of colors. By the way, guys, for me, this is the best suggestion that you can do in your house. Ganyan-ganyan na po yung turnover sa atin. Tiled. This can be a part of your storage area. Pwede nating lagyan ng wall dito and mount your TV here. Dito naman tayo sa ating kitchen area. Ganito na pag in-turnover sa atin. Meron tayo dito space for our ref. And this is our toilet and bath. Okay, yan. So we've got here a toilet bowl na meron tayo. Pwede tayo makatipid ng tubig pag dito tayo naghugas ng kamay. We've got a mini lavatory here and a shower. Ang tiles natin hanggang dito. And we've got a aesthetically pleasing shower. And let's go to our back side of the house. Tara. So, this will give you an extra space for a service area. As you can see, guys, kompletong-kompleto na dito. Meron na tayo drainage system and meron na tayong nakaabang outlet if ever na mag-extend tayo for our dirty kitchen, guys. And yung harapan, ito yung kadugsong niya. Yan. So, we've got a 2-window here. Napakaganda, napakalinis ng pagkakagawa. Okay, guys, samahan nyo ako sa ating staircase. Napakalaking. Guys, nga pala, ang aking height ulit is 5'9", pero kaya meron kayong perspective kung gaano siya kalaki. Hindi ko abot yung ceiling. Big windows. Okay. So, guys, bago ako makiat, please do subscribe on our YouTube channel para masuportahan nyo naman yung channel namin na makapag-provide ng mga ganitong klase ng videos. Okay, thank you. This is our concrete winding staircase and this is our metal handlebars and this is included in our turnover. Pwede natin lagyan dito na TV mount and let's go to our second story. Okay, dito sa ating second story, this is our first mini family area na as suggested, pwede natin lagyan ng sofa and a TV here. Or maybe a study area. Sa mga nagwo-work from home, pwede nyo gawin yan, guys. This is our second toilet and bath. Okay. Ganun din yung itsura niya katulad doon sa baba. Meron siyang lavatory, bathroom fixtures, tiled, and a toilet bowl na merong mini sink. Meron din tayong window dito. Okay, sulit na sulit, guys. From 15,000 to 16,000 a month, meron ka ng end unit dito sa Ecoverde, Lipa, Batangas. Okay, this is our mini walkway. Meron tayong safety metal bars. Meron tayo ditong fiber cement wall na ginamit for division of our rooms. Okay, so ngayon, guys, pasukin natin ang ating first bedroom. Alright, tama-tama to sa mga nagwo-work from home. This is a design that is space saver. Trabaho ka sa baba, tulog ka sa taas. Suggestion guys, pwede nyong gayanin to sa inyong mga magiging future houses, ano? Let's go to our second bedroom. This is our second bedroom na both ang second and third bedroom natin is nasa harapan ng bahay, which is a good thing para meron tayong view of the community. So kasya dito sa ating second bedroom ang single bed. Once again, pwede natin itong gawing loft bed or double deck. Okay, suggestion, pag tinurn over sa atin to is wala ito, pero this is the best place na ilagay ang ating cabinet and drawers. Study area, kailangan natin yan, and another storage space. Let's go to our master's bedroom. First time ko nakakita ng ganitong interior design sa isang bahay. So napakalaki nito, hindi na makakapunta ron kasi this is a interior design like a Japanese. Ang Ecoverde is tie up sa isang Japanese company, and look what they've done in this room. Napaka-zen. Gives you an idea for your master's bedroom. Let's do a quick recap of this house. Meron tayong dalawang toilet and bath, 3 bedrooms, 74 square meter lot area for an end unit, 75 square meter of floor areas. By the way guys, once again, yung floor area natin na 75 square meter is hahatiin mo yon sa dalawa. First floor and second floor. Alright? Okay. It looks like that's it for this house, an end unit 2024 coverage of this end unit house in Lipa, Batangas. And this house starts at 2.8 million. Guys, pag kasi sinabi natin na 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, na ganito kalaki yung floor, it starts at 3.5. Pero this, 5 minutes away, the Lipa City proper starts from 2.8. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. Abangan nyo yung sunod nating video for our premium house. This is Justin Rieta of House and Lot Finder PH. See you guys on our next one.